In this episode, we will show you how to perform a software upgrade on Ceragon IP-50 or IP-20 network elements. Enjoy! As you know, the network elements from Ceragon have an embedded, Linux-based operating system called CeraOS. This is the basis for managing any Ceragon network device, and CeraOS has been created in a unified way across all current products. We are doing a software upgrade from 11.1 to 11.7 on the IP-20F device. Before doing any software upgrade or downgrade, first have a look at what is installed on the network element. You can check that under Platform, Software, the Versions submenu. In here, you can see the installed operating system version and the downloaded operating system. In our case, they are the same. We will first download, then install the new operating system version now. For this episode, we will use the HTTP option for software upgrade. Upgrade via FTP is available as well. To start the process, simply download the new software version from our server to your PC and then to the device and then install. Go to Download and Install submenu to start. Double check to make sure you have the correct software for your network element before starting any software upgrade. As mentioned, we are using 11.7 for the IP-20F. Once our correct file is selected, we hit download and wait for the device to get the new operating system. This process will take a couple of minutes, depending on the connection speed. For any software upgrade compatibility, please consult the release notes document available with your Ceragon representative or go to www.ceragon.com to obtain the document. This document will show the most important changes, feature descriptions, and compatibility list for the current release. Our download is now ready, so it's time to perform the actual software upgrade. First, we will verify the version is correctly downloaded under the Versions submenu. As you can see, the installed version is still the former one, but now the downloaded shows 11.7. Press Install and confirm. This will begin the software upgrade process from the downloaded repository and install on the actual device. You should not use or disconnect the power of the network element during software upgrade. If any issue appears during this installation process, the network element will revert back to the last known configuration and upgrade will fail. With installation ready, the network element will reboot to load up the new operating system version. You will not have management over this element during the reboot. Keep in mind that the software upgrade process will not change the IP of your network element, so you will be able to manage it on the same IP address. We will now do a continuous ping on the IP address to understand when it comes back online. Once we get a ping reply, the network element is ready and you can check that the upgrade has been operated successfully. For more instructional videos, follow us on www.ceragon.com.